Today we're going to take a look at the standard division algorithm. In class we've been solving using this explicit trade method, looking at one place value at a time. After we would multiply and subtract, anything that was left we would push back or trade back to the next largest place value and repeat the process again. In the standard division algorithm, the process is almost identical, except for you see here that I don't have the lines dividing this number into the different place values. I'm still looking at one digit at a time. For example, 4 can go into 7 one time because 1 times 4 is 4. Still going to subtract. 7 take away 4 is 3. Now over here in the explicit trade method, this is when I would cross this one out, push it back in front of this 2 waiting here in this tens column, and build the number 32. Instead of making a trade to the next column, I'm simply going to bring down this 2. So I have still created the 32 that we're used to seeing over here. Alright, so 4 times what is 32 without going over? Well, that would be 8. 8 times 4 is 32. When I subtract, I've used it all up. Now I need to bring down my next digit here in the ones place waiting, and it is a 4. So I have the 0, 4, same as I had over here in this column. In the ones place, I just don't have the columns to keep me nice and organized. I'm simply bringing down the digit to create a new number after I have subtracted. Okay, so 4 will go into 4 one time because 1 times 4 is 4. When I subtract, there is nothing left. So the quotient for 724 divided by 4 is 181. The biggest difference in these two strategies is instead of making trades, we are bringing the next digit down to create the number right here below instead of moving back behind a line. The same thing is going to be true even if we have a 2-digit divisor with one small change. 12 is trying to go into 4,956. So 4,956 being divided by 12. Well, 12, 2 digits, will never go into this 4, just one digit. It's too large. And so 12 will not go into 4. My 4 is still left. Going to bring down my 9, and you see here that now I have 49. Well, 12 times what is close to 49 without going over? That would be 4. 12 times 4 is 48. When I subtract, I didn't need to make that long, sorry about that. I have 1 left, and now I'm bringing down my next digit to create 15. Well, 12 can fit into 15 one time. When I subtract, there are 3 left. Bring down, and now I have 36. 12 times what is 36? That's 3. 12 times 3 would use all 36. I would have nothing left. Almost ran out of room there. That's one other difference between this strategy and that explicit trade is it takes up much more room as you're going down and bringing these digits down to continue the problem with the next place value. 4,956 divided by 12 gave me a quotient of 413. In your math journal, I would like for you to use this standard division algorithm to solve. You see on problems 1 and 2, I started the problem for you. 8 going into this 9 in the hundreds place. I got that ready. I already brought down your 7 to create 17. So your next step is thinking how many times can 8 go into this 17. I got number 2 started for you, but 3 you're giving a try all on your own.